Viewers, it is 1:10 p.m. and earlier we had also informed that 2 or 3 bodies were recovered earlier, but now it has been confirmed that 6 bodies has been recovered from the Pirema area after the landslide that occurred last night, a massive landslide. Now the government officials and personnel are doing as much as they can, and they have informed that NHIDCL officials are also there and trying to clear out the road as much as possible. But one thing that they have informed, sources have informed, that it is not possible for it to be cleared very soon. Now they have appealed, officials who are on the ground have appealed to the citizens coming from Kohima side to please understand that this is not going to clear out today, that they should go back to Kohima before another mishap occurs or any other landslide of this multitude. If it does occur, it will be very dreadful. And another information that we've received is that yesterday one did pass away on the spot during the landslide. So 5 were missing after that, and all 5 bodies have been recovered as we speak right now. The officials have informed this as we speak now. This Chate River Bridge gate is shut for any commute, for any travelers. Everybody has been told to take the Zadima Newland Road, which is behind our camera person right now, through the 4-lane road that is going through Patkai College across and to Newland area. Now that road is also only for light vehicles. That is why the trucks are stranded here right now. And as they've also said that they will wait till evening, which is highly unlikely again that any car of any size will be allowed, be it small, be it even a 2-wheeler is not allowed to go past this, since you have seen in our previous visuals, or as of now that we will show you, that it has collapsed and it has been washed away completely. A huge chunk has been washed away completely. Now this is a developing story. Many have, according to the advisory of the Commissioner of Police Dimapur, he has also said that the Pimla Mainamsi Road is not advisable to be taken for travelers. Only the Zadima Newland Road should be taken, he has informed. Till now, what the officials have said is that 6 were missing and all 6 have been recovered. The bodies have been recovered. Viewers, just to let you know that the NHIDCL has also brought in an emergency contractor just in case the present contractor, that is the ECI, will not be able to do the clearing of the job of the landslide by themselves. Now the government during a high-level meeting on had given them till September 6th to make sure everything is cleared, but now again after last night it is next to impossible to clear it by the 6th. We will just have to wait and see for more what updates we'll get from officials later. Esther here with camera person Moa for Nagaland News Network.